You open the game. Just for an hour, just to relax. Just to clear your mind, after a long day, one match. Then another, and suddenly. You feel in control, you're winning. You're improving. In here, everything makes sense, there's a goal. There's progress, you know what to do. And you see results instantly, unlike real life, where everything takes time, where nothing is guaranteed, where you try. And nothing happens, but in the game, it's fair, you get better, and you feel it right away. A day passes. Then another, you start playing more often, not just to relax anymore, but because it feels easier. Here, you don't doubt yourself, here. You are someone, slowly. Something changes, you delay your responsibilities, you reply later, you go outside less, but it doesn't feel like a problem, because inside the game, you're not losing, you're winning, you unlock levels, you earn achievements, you get stronger, but only in one place, and one day, you log off, and notice something strange. In the game, you have status, you have progress, you have respect, but here, there's silence. Real life feels slow. Empty, because it doesn't give you instant rewards. And here's the truth, games don't take your life all at once, they take it slowly, they give you the feeling of growth, in a place where that growth changes nothing, so the question isn't whether it's good or bad, the real question is, if you spend years getting better, but only in a game, what will you have in real life? And the most uncomfortable question, are you really relaxing, or just escaping?